Yeah, this is your girl Shan, and I'm gonna do something different for you. Hope you enjoy. This is a message for the youths, especially you young ladies. People tell our kids all the time that sex before marriage ain't no crime. But look at our girls pregnant in the street. They couldn't control their sexual heat. He told you that he loved you, but he took you for a fool. Now you're pregnant with this baby, gotta drop out of school. Why did I do it? Why didn't I wait until I got married? But now it's too late. Feeling all alone cause the boy gone home. You call him on his cell, he won't answer the phone. Your mother always told you that men were full of lies. They tell you anything to get between the times. So keep your dress down, legs crossed, and your future life won't be lost. Dress down, legs crossed, and your future life won't be lost. Hey young girl, don't be no fool. Sex before marriage, it ain't cool. God made sex something great, but you don't need none till you marry your mate. Yes, you look good from head to toe, but until you got married, you gotta say no, no wed, no bed, no ring, no thing, no contract, no contact, no church, no touch. So keep your dress down, legs crossed, and your future life won't be lost. Dress down, legs crossed, and your future life won't be lost. Yeah, hope you got a message. Peace.